We're Frenchies. Of course we'll eat things we aren't supposed to and force you to spend a lot of money at the vet. We're Frenchies. Of course we're allergic to tap water, air, and grass. We're Frenchies. Of course we'll take up the entire bed even though we're only 20 pounds. We're Frenchies. Of course we'll only behave if treats are involved. We're Frenchies. Of course you can't be out in the sun for 5 minutes before overheating. We're Frenchies. Of course we're gonna fart during your movie. And it's gonna stink. We're Frenchies. Of course you don't know what personal space means. We're Frenchies. Of course our parents treat us like human children. We're Frenchies. Of course you're gonna be sharing your table scraps with us. We're Frenchies. Of course we're gonna snore. We're Frenchies. Of course we have rain jackets and winter coats. We're Frenchies. Of course the vet knows our parents by first name. We're Frenchies. Of course we're gonna pretend not to hear you when you tell us we need to come inside. We're Frenchies. Of course we have an ear infection. We're Frenchies. Of course we don't go outside during the rain. We're Frenchies. Of course we'll do destructive zoomies after bath time.